Sri Akal ji, this is Bob from BBD with Fast and Furious. ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਭਾਈਆਂ ਦਾ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਔਰ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਪਰ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ that gets my back up. And this is what I guess is always the attempt of this government. It says, pampered Punjab farmers protest easily. ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਹੈਗੀ? ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ headline ਇਹ ਕੋਈ Financial Times paper 'ਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਜੀ? But this is ridiculous. This is a state that has stood by the rest of India when it was really needed food grain. ਐਂਡ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਡੇਟ 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਜੀ ਪੈਂਪਰਡ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਫਾਰਮਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਹੀ ਬੇਇਨਸਾਫੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ। ਫਿਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਕੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਸਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹੋਂ ਹੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਦਿੱਲੀੋਂ is Mr. Parsa Venkateshwar Rao Jr. Will our farmers force arrogant government to yield? What he says is, by freeing the mandis, the center is not enabling the farmers to sell their produce where they want to, because 90% of them are marginal farmers. There is enough to discuss there, and the government may have a point or two, but it does not matter if the people affected by them remain suspicious and hostile, and the government do not have any convincing argument. This is the point. There is an urgent need to change the style of governance from that of the presidential to the parliamentary. Had the government sent the bill for review by a joint select committee, as the Akalis and the opposition parties had so vociferously urged, there would have been time and scope enough to respond to the concerns of the farmers and to incorporate the necessary changes before they became law. So basically, the common theme running is just the way it was done. It is like, for example, again, Pawan K. Verma, at best farm laws passed reform buck to big business. He says, firstly, it was the manner in which the 3 agricultural bills were passed in parliament. That was the critical part. The fact of the matter is that while that sounds great in theory, marginal and small farmers with less than 5 hectares of land around account for 86% of total farmers in India. And for them, this law really makes no sense. The government feels that these farm bills will facilitate investment by the corporate sector. However, has the government come out with requisite tax incentives and fiscal policies that will encourage such investment? Okay. Now this ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ, now it's like gaining momentum, and it's just not Punjab, it's about everywhere. See, now you got 2 grandmas in 80s hailed as stars poster women. But ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈਗੀ, ਸੈਂਟਰ ਓਪਨਸ ਟਾਕ ਚੈਨਲਸ ਵਿਦ ਨਾਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਫਾਰਮਰ ਆਊਟਫਿਟ। ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਡੇਂਜਰਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ। What do we have here? Get our back up. Ill-informed India on Trudeau remarks over farm protests. There's no ill-informed. It's not about. He's not commenting on the protests. He's commenting on the right to protest. He's not talking about the law. So how can he say that? India rejects Canadian PM's remark on farmers' protests. Well, he has a right to remark, but it's causing a lot of hassles and turbulations in politics. JJP, who's a partner of the BJP in Haryana, restless as agitation continues, and they were talking about only Punjab. Here, new farm laws will be disaster. RLD plans protests across UP. MP farmers to mark December 3rd as anti-corporate day, intensify agitation. Trudeau supports peaceful stir by farmers. MEA tells him to back off. I don't think MEA has the right to tell him to back off, right? And he has a right to comment. And there's a farm fire now spreads to Canada and Australia. Everywhere where there's a Sikh community, which is in major countries, folks, there is going to be problems, right? And this is not staying behind. A group of women joined protesting farmers at the border between Delhi and Haryana, and not only women and students. Outfit skip stock, says government trying to divide farmer. That is absolutely true. What does Sagrika Ghosh have to write? Democracy's oxygen. Protests are opportunity to create dialogue between the citizen and state. Farm laws may well be aimed at much needed liberalization of the farm sector, yet negotiations with stakeholders is urgent when transformative laws are enacted. That is true. But BJP is trying to save its butt. BJP looks to resolve stir to shield its Punjab prospects. It's all about politics, folks. And let me just say this is what is critical for India at this stage, that we really need to worry about this particular sangharsh. ਤੇ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਬਾਈ ਸੇਇੰਗ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਹੋਪਫੁਲੀ the government will learn.